Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this 2021 Coachmen Catalina. It's a 184 BHS, so it has the bunks in there for the family. It's got a Murphy bed, which is a really cool setup as well. And if you have any questions, of course, at the end of the video, you'll be able to call me and ask me those questions. What I like about this 184 is it does have a kitchen outside, which is a nice feature as well. And then when you go into the entry door, it does have that nice sturdy step that folds down and makes it real nice and rigid for getting in and out. Sure makes a big difference. On the inside, what I love about the 184 BHS is I do love the Murphy bed option to it. Little fold down armrest there when it's made out into the couch, and then when you make that down into your bed and everything, you've got that ability to have a nice comfortable mattress bed. If you do want to go ahead and leave it that way, sometimes you go on a trip and it's just the two of you and maybe not a family coming that time, then you can leave the bed down all the time. Or if you guys are more outdoorsy, then maybe you'll never even fold it up into having that couch. But it is a nice versatile floor plan by having that ability. You do also have a U-shaped, pretty good sized booth dinette for sitting, and that window here for adding natural light. The countertops in the kitchen as well as the table are a nice sealed thermofoil counter. Makes it much easier for keeping the moisture out and also for cleaning and wiping down. You do have a large refrigerator, and I love these bunks that are larger size bunks. So you can end up having, a nice, larger kids in there, maybe sneak 2 or 3 sometimes in there with smaller children. You do end up having a window in both of those bunk areas, which is also a nice feature that some trailers don't provide that. You do end up having the 2-burner and the microwave in the kitchen area, and again, that larger fridge, which I covered on. You do have a couple of cabinet doors I love above the sink there, and of course, it has air conditioning. And in the back area here, besides the bunks, there's also down low, there's some good storage areas, so you can throw some things there, maybe a pet kennel, or have something for more storage of sleeping bags and what have you. In the bathroom, it does have a low step shower there, which is real nice for getting in and out of it and everything, and using some more space of that bathroom more adequately. You do have an easy space around that toilet, and then your sink and medicine cabinet in there makes it real nice for room. And again, the inside is a real nice size to it. I believe it's 7.5. You can call me at the end of the video and you can ask me questions that I don't know for sure, but I think it's 7.5 foot wide, so it makes it a little bit narrower for towing behind those smaller vehicles. And that's what's the benefit on some of these narrower, smaller trailers with the slide out. Thanks again for spending some time today with me today on this video presentation, folks. I hope you're having a great time. Remember, if you have any questions, again, Tom Peterson, I've been here for over 30 years. I'd love to answer those questions. Give me a call. And remember, I guarantee in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.